Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Chats. I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex. Welcome back, everyone, and welcome to Day 11.
Happy Monday.
I hope you all had a wonderful weekend.
And welcome to Week 3 of our 30-Day English Confidence Challenge.
We can't believe we're already starting a brand new week.
If you're listening today, welcome back. We hope you had a chance to relax and maybe practice a little English over the weekend.
Even listening to one of our older episodes is great practice.
Absolutely. So, Alex, how are you? And how was your weekend?
I'm very well, thanks. It was really nice, actually.
Did you sleep in on Saturday?
Of course I did.
Nice.
But I also did something a little different this weekend.
Oh, tell me.
I visited my parents on Sunday.
Oh, that sounds lovely. Did you do something nice with them?
Yeah, my parents invited the whole family over for a barbecue.
Wow. Family gathering. Sounds like a perfect Sunday.
It really was. Max had a great time, too. He spent the whole afternoon running around the garden with my little cousins.
Aw, I can imagine.
What about you? How was your weekend?
Mine was nice and relaxing. I spent Saturday morning looking after my flowers, and on Sunday, I painted for a while. And I also cooked a nice dinner and enjoyed a quiet evening with Luna.
That sounds like your perfect weekend. So, Emma, what is our new theme for Week 3?
In Week 3, we are talking about people and relationships. We are going to learn how to talk about the important people in our lives.
Lovely. That is a wonderful topic. When you meet someone new, you usually ask about their life and their family.
Exactly. It's a great way to get to know someone. So today, for Day 11, our topic is my family.
My family. A very common topic. Okay, let's start with brothers and sisters. Emma, do you have any brothers or sisters?
I do. I have one older brother. His name is Jack.
Are you too close, or?
Yes, very. We don't see each other every week, but we talk on the phone a lot.
Cool. That's nice.
He's always been very supportive.
What about your parents?
My mom is a primary school teacher.
Really?
Yes, she's kind, patient, and she loves helping children learn.
That sounds just like her daughter.
Thank you. Maybe I learned a little patience from her.
I think so.
And my dad is a chef.
Now that doesn't surprise me at all.
Why not?
Because you love cooking.
That's true. Growing up, I watched him cook almost every day.
So that's where your love of cooking comes from.
Exactly. He taught me that cooking isn't just about food. It's also about sharing time with the people you love.
I really like that.
Me too. Okay, now it's your turn. Tell me about your family.
Well, my family is a little different. I have one younger sister. Her name is Sarah.
Sarah. That's a lovely name. My best friend is called Sarah, too.
Your best friend. The one who loves tea.
Yep, that's her. And are you and your sister close?
Yes, very close. She's 4 years younger than me. We talk almost every day.
That's lovely. What does she do?
She's studying music at university.
Really? What instrument does she play?
Mainly the piano. But she can also play the guitar and sing.
She must be very talented.
She is. She's been playing piano since she was a little girl. And whenever I visit my parents, she's usually sitting at the piano, practicing.
That must make the house feel so peaceful.
It does now. I love listening to her play.
Is that why you love listening to music so much?
Yes, it is. Music was always playing in our house when we were growing up.
That makes a lot of sense. What about your parents, Alex?
Well, my mother is a writer. She writes books, so she's always reading or writing something.
That sounds interesting. I love reading books.
She leaves her books everywhere.
Everywhere?
Everywhere. On the shelves, on the table, on the kitchen counter, beside the sofa, even in the bathroom.
Sounds like my house with paintbrushes. And your dad?
My dad is a doctor.
Wow, your parents must be very busy.
Yeah, they are, but they always make time for family.
I think that's really important.
Me too. That's why we try to have family dinners or gatherings whenever we can.
Like the one you had this weekend.
Exactly. It was fun.
Your family sounds very creative. Your mom writes books, sister plays the piano.
I know. I am very different from my family.
I love it. You are the relaxed and fun one in the family.
Yes, I am. But honestly, I love spending time with my family.
Me too. Even if we don't see each other every week, it's always special when we get together.
I think our listeners will understand that. Every family is different.
Exactly. Some families are big. Some are small.
Some people have brothers and sisters, and some people are only children.
The important thing is knowing how to talk about your family in English.
And the good news is, it's actually easier than you think.
Okay, let's practice. Imagine we've just met in a party.
Sounds good.
Hi, I'm Emma. It's nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Alex. Nice to meet you too, Emma.
Can I ask you something?
Of course.
Do you have any siblings?
Yeah, I have one younger sister. Her name is Sarah.
Oh, nice. What does she do?
She's a university student. She studies music.
That's wonderful. What about your parents?
My mom is a writer, and my dad is a doctor.
Cool. Do you see them much?
Yeah, we talk on the phone all the time, and we try to see each other whenever we can. But everyone's busy these days. What about you?
I have one older brother, and my mom is a teacher. My dad is a chef.
It was lovely chatting with you.
You too.
See, those are simple questions you'll often hear when you're getting to know someone.
And now you know how to answer them with confidence.
All right, before we finish today's lesson, now it is time for our vocabulary highlight. We are going to explain two very useful words about family.
The first word is parents. P-A-R-E-N-T-S. Parents.
Your parents are your mother and your father. Instead of saying my mother and my father, you can just say my parents.
For example, you can say, my parents live in a big city. Or, I visit my parents on the weekend.
The second word is siblings. S-I-B-L-I-N-G-S. Siblings.
Siblings is a great word. It means your brothers and your sisters. If you have one brother and one sister, you have two siblings.
Yes. Someone might ask you, do you have any siblings? They mean, do you have brothers or sisters?
Exactly. Here's another example. I have two siblings. Or, my sister is my only sibling.
It's a useful word because you don't have to say brothers and sisters every time.
That's right. All right, everyone, it's time for our shadowing practice. This is one of the best ways to improve your pronunciation.
We will say a simple sentence. Then we will pause.
During the pause, you must speak out loud. Copy our speed, our rhythm, and our voice.
Are you ready? Let's practice.
Sentence number 1. I have a small family.
Sentence number 2. My parents are very kind.
Sentence number 3. I have one older brother.
Sentence number 4. I have a younger sister.
Sentence number 5. Do you have any siblings?
Sentence number 6. I love spending time with my family.
Excellent job! You are speaking beautifully today.
Speaking out loud every day is a great habit.
Yes! Even just a few minutes of practice each day can make a big difference.
So keep going. You're becoming more confident every day.
Now it is time for our question of the day. This is your action step for day 11.
We want to know about your family.
The question is, do you have any siblings? And what do your parents do?
Go to the comments section and practice writing your answer in English.
You can write, I have one older sister. My mother is a teacher.
Or you can write, I have 2 younger brothers. My father is a driver.
If you don't have brothers or sisters, you can write, I am an only child.
Yes. And do not forget our special rule. Type Day 11 completed at the end of your comment.
We want to see you start week 3 with a lot of confidence.
Thank you so much for joining us for Day 11 of the 30-Day English Confidence Challenge.
If you liked today's episode, please make sure you are subscribed to Daily English Chats.
If you found it helpful, give it a like and share it with a friend who's learning English too.
Learning is always more fun together. We'll be back tomorrow with Day 12. Until then, enjoy the rest of your day.
If you can, spend some time with the people you care about.
Whether it's your family, your friends, or even your pets.
Luna would definitely agree with that.
And Max too. Until next time,
Stay confident and keep speaking English. Bye, Emma. Bye, everyone.
Bye. See you tomorrow.